In this video today, I'm going to practically show you the latest and updated way you can earn additional income stream as an agent on Poppolive app. And if you want to become an agent on Poppolive, I will also practically show you how to become agent on Poppolive app, as well as if you are totally new, you are a beginner, you don't even know what I'm talking about, I will also share with you how you can join the Poppolive app so that you can be making additional income stream with your mobile phone. So if all this interests you, please give me a like. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so. On this channel we talk about entrepreneurship, making money on the internet, and cryptocurrency. Before we go into the practical aspect of this video, please beware of scammers in the comment section. And I have a Telegram channel, a Telegram group that you can join. But please, if you join, beware of anyone trying to scam you with my profile picture or profile name. Anyone DMing you first to ask you to pay for any coin or anything like that, it is not me, it is never me, and it will never be me, no matter how convincing it may sound. So please beware of that. So let's go to the practical aspect of this video. You're welcome to the practical aspect of the video. As you can see, I have $97. So if you click on your message right here as an agent, you'll be receiving this: congratulations, your uncle have received this and that. Oh my god, I've been receiving 2,000 points per horse that completed her tax. So you can see the money right here. I've received early in the morning. The remaining one, I said, Kai, let me make the video because I am the update queen when it comes to Poppolive app. So right here, as you can see, these are the points from under my agency. Apart from the normal money that is dropping as my points, this is another thing I have to receive manually every day before 5 p.m. and you can receive it at any time. So as I click on receive now, as you can see, my points is 1 point something. That's like around $100,000. If I click on withdraw right here, I will click on withdraw now, and then I will just put $100 and voila, they will remove their charges, which is almost $3 right now. So I will enter my password, and in split second I see another one has dropped. That's 1,400 as an agent. So it is so sweet, honestly. So these are my withdrawals. So for the doubting Thomas, I always withdraw to my Bybits. So if you are interested in learning how to withdraw your earning from Poppo to a USDT, so I have videos. I will drop the link in the comment section. So for those that want to become agent, in the comment section of this video right here, you just click on more. Either in the description or the comment section, I'm going to drop the link to become agent. So all you need to do is click on this more, and then click, you will see this link. You will tap on the link to become agent, and it will take you to a website. So I use Chrome. So once you click and open it, it will ask you to put your ID. That means you are already a user of Poppo, so you have your ID user and you are not under an agency. Okay, so once you put your ID, it will ask you to submit verification. You click on get. When you click on get, Poppo will send you a code to your message. So you just click on Poppo message. You see agent carnival is coming, another thing for agents. Oh god. So you click on your message section, you will see that they will send you OTP. So you click on the OTP, copy it, and they go back to that Chrome where you were doing the registration, paste it and submit. So once you submit, you receive congratulations, you have become an agent. And if it shows that you are under an agency, you need to write to your agent so that your agent will release you so that you can become an agent. The benefits are so much. So for those that are new and they don't know about Poppo, Poppo is a live streaming platform that rewards its users with amazing incentive and benefits. In the description of this video, I will still drop a link to register. But then if you just click on this my profile right here, come to playlist. If you are new, click on playlist on my channel, scroll down, you are going to see where it says Poppolive playlist. You click on it because I have done over 70 something videos about this app. So you click on this one that I talk about, latest social media app that pays. So it has about over 22,000 views as at when I'm making this video. Click on that particular video. It will show you how to register. It's not all about registration. You have to do your face authentication and things you need to do so that you can register and start earning. You can start live streaming And if you watch that video, you see that I post how you can be doing your tax. If you come to that playlist, it will also show you how to withdraw. There's playlists on how to play games and so forth and so forth. I have a Telegram group. I will drop all the link to the playlist where you can join and learn. Hope to see you in my next video. Bye.